In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional formatting in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial specifically designed for beginners. If you've ever wanted to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your Notion workspace, you're in the right place. Conditional formatting is a fantastic way to make your data not only look more appealing, but also become more useful by helping you quickly identify crucial information. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open a database in Notion. This could be anything from a project tracker, task list, or any other way you're organizing your information. Once your database is handy, we can get started with formatting. Next up, you'll choose either the Select or Multi-Select property for the column you wish to apply conditional formatting to. These properties are integral because they allow you to define different categories or tags for your database entries. You might already be familiar with these properties if you've been organizing your data using tags or categories. If not, think of the Select property as a way to assign a single label to your items, while Multi-Select lets you apply multiple labels. This step prepares your database for a more dynamic and customized conditional formatting experience. Once your properties are set, you'll move on to the fun part, which is assigning colors to the values. It's a straightforward but incredibly effective way to bring your database to life. Head to the respective column where you've added your Select or Multi-Select properties, and here you can choose a distinct color for each value. For example, you could opt to color high-priority tasks in red while setting lower-priority items in a calming blue. This visual distinction is pivotal, as it instantly communicates status or category, making it easier for you to prioritize and manage your tasks at a glance. Finally, let's take a look at filtering your views based on conditions. Notion offers a variety of ways to filter your data, be it for a particular project, status, or timeline. By utilizing filters, you can create customized views that highlight only the information you need at any given moment, tailored exactly to your needs. For this, you'll head to your database's view options and configure the filters according to your criteria. Remember, the more specific your conditions, the clearer and more organized your data becomes. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on applying conditional formatting within Notion. With these steps, you're well on your way to transforming your workspace, making it not only more vibrant, but also incredibly efficient. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with these tools to discover how they can best serve your individual needs. Until next time, keep your Notion workspace engaging and organized.